Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Cameras should be on. अच्छा प्रवीरी दो उसका भी कैमरा ऑन है ना? Let them come in. They are joining.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This is fourth B. Fourth A. Sorry. This is fourth A. I'm always confused in A and B. Lags, maths, paper. We have done till right successor and predecessor, है ना?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
today we will arrange in ascending order and arrange in descending order. Right?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your cameras on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, what is date?
What is date? I don't know what is date.
Ma'am, 25.
I will not tell. No need to tell. I don't know what is date today.
Ma'am, today is Tuesday.
Yes. Now, today we will start with the ascending and descending order, right? Okay, wait a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
Ascending, what do you mean by ascending?
Ma'am,
Down to
move backwards.
No.
Ma'am, move backwards.
No, it
Move
doesn't mean
upwards.
move backwards.
Ma'am, smaller to bigger.
Huh? What does it mean?
Ma'am, smaller
Bigger to smaller.
Ma'am, smaller
Smaller to bigger.
Smaller to bigger.
Smaller to bigger. Yes.
Bigger.
Smaller to bigger. Yes.
Bigger.
And what do you mean by descending?
Bigger to smaller.
Bigger to smaller. Ma'am, bigger to smaller.
Yes, bigger to smaller. Ehman, Unsha, Yuvraj Singh, Siddharth, Alir, Tanveer, open your cameras. Alir, you will send out. Alir, we remove. Acha, he is not on mute. Yes. Unsha. उनशा फोर्ड नहीं होता है मुबशरा मुबशरा बेटा आप you type your name on the chat box but why don't you present in the meetings मुबशरा open your mic मुबशरा
Ma'am, Daksh Pelachani mic is on.
he kept his mic on. I will remove him someday. Daksh Pelajani, I will remove you someday if you'll keep your mic on. Keep your mic close. Daksh, I'm talking to you. Yes, Mubashira, why were you type your name in the chat box, you send me the answers in the WhatsApp group, but why are you not present in the meeting, Mubashira? Ehman, Siddharth, Alark and Unsha, open your cameras. Unsha, I'll call you out of the meeting. I'll straight away call away your father right now, Unsha, if you're not going to open your camera. I'm straight away going to call your father, Unsha, if you're not going to open your camera. हाँ मुबशरा मुबशरा आप व्हाट्सएप पे तो लिखती हो बेटा मुबशरा आर यू एबल टू हियर मी यस और नो कोई रिप्लाई नहीं है शी इज सिटिंग आइडल आई डोंट नो व्हाट शी इज डूइंग एमान एक जगह बैठ जाओ ढंग से हाँ and stop talking and study I don't know what she is doing mubashira chalo let's start take out maths pen notebook a new page everyone just give me a second let me do something draw white box just give me a minute yes
Ma'am, please zoom.
I can't zoom your screen. You can zoom your screen yourself. Okay, these are the questions. Take out your maths pen notebook and a new page in your maths pen notebook. Okay, at the top, no, new page nahi, same page. Sorry, I forgot. Maths pen notebook, same page. Question A we have done. Successor and predecessor we have done, right? उसी के नीचे क्वेश्चन बी स्टार्ट करो. राइट, अरेंज द गिवन नंबर्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order.
Ma'am, sorry for being late. What we are doing?
Everything is mentioned on the board. You can read it. Open your maths pair notebook. Same page. Arrange them in ascending order. Arrange the given
Ma'am.
numbers in ascending order. Huh?
Ma'am, there is no space in the same page.
So do it in next page. Use some common
Okay,
sense.
ma'am.
उसी पे
No,
कर
ma'am,
सकते हो
you
जो आपने
said-
लिखा. अच्छा प्रवीण मुझे बताओ बेटा, टेल मी.
Ma'am, is this
उसके
first?
ऊपर दो
Is
दोबारा कर
this
सकते
first
हो?
work?
बताओ, कर सकते हो ऐसा? जो वर्क किया उसी के
Ma'am,
ऊपर
what?
दूसरा वर्क कर लो.
No, ma'am.
न्यू पेज यूज करोगे. वो आई एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज दे आस्क मैम मेरे पास स्पेस है मैं वहीं कर लूं. कुछ sometimes you have to start from the new page. That's why I write the same page. If you have space, you do it on the same page. If you do not have a space, do it on the next one. All right. Shelly Gupta, open your camera. Manya, do your work.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, because of my thesis not submit, so I can't study my 21 to 24 class. Ma'am, please send the work that
What is your name?
I'm Shelly.
I will send the whole work and after some time, after 2-3 days, when this chapter will be finished, the whole chapter I will send. Okay, to the whole class. To the whole class I will send it. Only few questions are left. Just wait for 2-3 days. We will finish this up and then we will start. Okay, see the first one. Let me tell you the first one, how to do this. If you don't know how to do this, then I'm going to tell you how to do this. See here. See, 198, 197, 198 and 199. If you see all the 3 digits, starting 3 digits, 198, 197, 198. Achha, this is the semicolon in between I have used. This one is the semicolon. See here, everyone look here. Look here everyone, this red spot, if you're seeing my red spot, this comma and this one is known as semicolon. Okay, semicolon, why I use semicolon here? Because when we are putting comma, this is one whole number, this is 198,000. When we are putting commas, it will be very much confusion for us. Is it a semicolon or is it a simple comma? ठीक है, इसलिए there is, I have put semicolon in between.
Ma'am, what is a semicolon?
It is drawn over here, you can see. It is used to separate the two numbers.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do this.
Daksh Peljani, please switch your mic off. Okay, 198, 197, 198 and 199. From Riddhi Agarwal, kindly don't do whatever you are doing. Okay. So see, first is 198. So tell me, ascending means smallest. Which is the smallest number out of 198, 197, 198 and 199? Which is the smallest?
197.
197.
Yes, 197 is the smallest. That means 197, comma 326, 197,150 is the smallest. Now this is semicolon. Okay. Now tell me which is the next number?
198.
198. 198 may say 326 is also there and 112 is also there. 326 is also there and 326 is also there and 112 is also there. So which is smaller, 112 or 326?
112.
112. Yes, then we will put 112. 198, comma 112. अब दूसरा वाला जो 198 था वो लिख दो. वो था 198, 326, comma 326. Okay, and the left one is what is the left one? 199 wala. 199, comma Okay, this is the answer. Understood? Do it like this quickly. And Daksh, instead of speaking, pay attention on doing. Let me take your attendance by the time. I'll just keep you on mute. Wait. This is the attendance sheet. Oh. Is entering and leaving again and again. This is class 4th A. Today is 25th of May. ठीक है. Adhya, Aradhya, Iman. Adhya is present. Do not leave the meeting because I'm taking your attendance. You will be marked absent. Iman, Akshat, present. Alankita, absent. Alark, present. Ansh Patel, present. Alark absent again. क्योंकि वीडियो ऑफ है ना. Anshiraj, Ansh Patel present. Anshiraj present. Arjun Singh present. Arshika. Anshiraj present. Arjun Singh is also present. Arshika absent. Arslan present. Sheriff present. Tapani present. Gauri absent. Manya present. Bashara present. Praveer present. Unsha ko I will mark absent because she is not switching on her camera. I think she is sleeping. I'll call his parents. I'll call his father. Her father. Shaili Gupta is present. Shaili Gupta to present hi abhi. Shriza absent. Siddharth also absent. Ranveer present. Ansha present. Hidanshu present. Oh, Unsha is absent. Sorry. Unsha is sleeping actually. Yuvraj Singh present. Do it quick. Do not send. Bachche, I forgot to tell you. Do not send me the answers. Do not send me the answers, okay? On WhatsApp. I will not be able to check so many answers. It will take a lot of time and you are already lacking so much back. Because 4th C is about to finish the chapter and 4th B also. Only you people are left, so be quick.
Ma'am, I have done.
All right. You need to send it, okay? Just inform me that you have done.
Ma'am, I am right.
Okay, I'm showing you the second answer also. But Daksh Pehljani will send me his work because I want to see whether he is doing his work or not. Who is this coming and going again and again? Unsha, beta camera on कर रही हो या नहीं? I don't know. I think so. She is sleeping behind the camera. What were you doing, Unsha? मैं कब से चिल्ला रही हूँ? Are you able to hear me, Unsha? Yes or no? Unsha, are you able to hear me? Yes or no? I don't think so. She is able to hear. Mubashira, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आप मुझे ये बताइए, आप व्हाट्सएप पे ऑनलाइन दिखती हैं और इस पे आप व्हाट्सएप पे आप अटेंडेंस मार्क करती हैं, यहाँ क्यों नहीं मार्क करते अटेंडेंस? हाँ, Anshrat, where are you roaming? Just sit at one place and do your work.
Sister classes going on.
So why do you mark your present over there? That means you're not present if your sister class is there. Why do you mark your present in the WhatsApp group if you're not going to take this? Tell me. If you're not going to take the class, why do you mark your this attendance?
Ma'am, I done my.
Okay, let me show you the second answer. Wait.
Ma'am, I also done. Ma'am, I also.
Okay, I need to give you numbers and so okay. Okay, let me show you the second answer. Wait.
Ma'am, I am shy.
See, this is the first answer and this is the second answer. Check your answers, first and second answer both. Check your first and second. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, my answer.
Okay, I'm showing you the third one also. Check it yourself. Do not send it on the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, all answer correct.
Very good.
Ma'am, I all.
How many of you are still doing? Raise your hand. How many of you are still doing? Raise your hands. How many of you are still doing it? Raise your hands. Manya, do it quickly. Tanveer, okay. Okay, Charitra, I saw you. Do it quickly, those who are doing it.
Ma'am, I all are correct.
No need to send it to me on WhatsApp. Arslan, open your camera.
Ma'am, today is teasing class.
Today, yes, last period.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth Shukla, keep your camera on, okay?
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, I will share it on the WhatsApp group. You can do it afterwards. Almost all of you have done. A few of you are left. How many? Charitra done?
Yes, ma'am.
Charitra, sorry. Charitra done?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have not done production.
I will share it on the WhatsApp group. You can do it from the WhatsApp group if you have not done it.
Ma'am, can you share now only?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, he's just simply copying the answers. He's not doing the sums on his own. So he has not.
I gave them time also to do the work. I have just hide all the answers. I asked him to send me the answers also.
No, he's not doing it. He has not even copied the questions yet.
Actually,
He's simply waiting for you. He's simply waiting for you to post the answers so that he can just copy them.
Actually, these two questions, ascending and descending order, I'm not asking for the answers. Otherwise, I always ask him for the answers, but he never sends the answers to me. This time I'm not asking, but today on itself, I told him that he will send me the answer. And he's writing very slowly. He's not sending it on time as well. Riddhi Agarwal, Alirk and Ansh, open your cameras. Quick.
Answers आते हैं ना? ये तो है नहीं कि ascending descending नहीं आता है. Sorry. बता रही हूँ.
Okay, let's start the next question. Wait a second. Wait, what do you mean by descending, everyone?
Descending means bigger to smaller.
Bigger to smaller. So the way you arrange the ascending order, see, the way you arrange the ascending numbers, simply we will arrange the descending also. Okay, let me switch on my camera. Wait a second. Yeah. The same way, the way in which we arrange the ascending order, the same we will do the descending. First, what we will do, look here. What are we going to do the first in descending order? We arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Same similarity. Yes, Vedanshu, you are saying something?
No.
Look here. If the number is 2,10,210, another number is 3,10,000, so let it be 2 lakh. 2,10,102, semicolon, 2,01,102. Okay, and one more number. Let me take one more number. 2,01,20. Okay, these are 4 numbers and we have to arrange them in descending order. Wait, one more thing. Mention a descending order in the beginning. Why? Mention the thing in the descending order in the beginning. Why? Because to tell us, बेटा वैसे ना हम ये वाला साइन यूज करते हैं greater than और smaller than वाला. बट आप क्या करते हो, बहुत सारी मिस्टेक कर देते हो इसमें. तो आप ये वाला लगना होता है, ये वाला लगा देते हो, आपके 0.5 मार्क्स तो ऐसे ही कट हो जाएंगे. Okay, half marks तो वैसे ही कट हो जाते हैं. तो इसलिए use the word descending order in the beginning or ascending order in the beginning to tell whether it is in ascending order and they are in descending order. So I'm using the word over here. So let's see. This is one number. 2, 10. 2, 10. Oh, Peter, first of all, let me spotlight myself. Daksh, please switch off your mic. Yeah, see here. 210, 210. Here it is 201. 201. Now 201. According to descending order, we have to find out the biggest one first. 210 era, 210 era. These two are the biggest one. Now bigger one. Now we see out of these two which is the bigger one. 210 or 102. See the last 3 digits now. 210 तो दोनों में same है. So we will check the last 3 digits. 210 or 102. Which is greater?
210.
210. 210. 210. Next number is which one? This one. अब वो वाला छोड़ा था, जो छोड़ा था वो वाला लेते हैं. 210. 102. Now third number. Out of these two will be the next two numbers. It is 201. It is 201. It is 102 and 201. Which is greater?
201.
201 is greater. 102. Sorry. 2, 01, 102. Sorry, 201. Sorry. 201 will come first, then it will come like 201, 10. Understood?
Ma'am, I'm confused.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, who is saying I have confusion? Akshad, you were saying something.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
What?
confusing in command.
Which one?
Ma'am, I'm confusing in commas.
In commas. Okay बेटा, तू थोड़ा सा बेटा gap दिया करो, ठीक है? I always give gap, a little bit gap, ठीक है? So you also give gap. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now let's start writing. Okay, this is my whiteboard, you can see. Okay, same page, again maths pen notebook, a new same page. Wait a second. Take out one, keep your cameras on, I can see you. Taranveer, Arjun Singh. Maths pen notebook. Oh, maths pen notebook. Same page. If you have this space, you can continue on the same page, and if you don't have, you can start from the new page. Okay? Same page. Be quick, beta. We are lacking so much behind, so that's why I'm not asking for you answers also. Otherwise, I would have asked you for answers also. Question A, arrange the given numbers in arrange in descending order. Simple. Arrange in descending order. Arrange. Yes. All right. Now let's start the next one. First question. 201. It is not the same question. It is different one, comma 102. Then put a semicolon over there and put some gap in between, okay? So that you may not get separated, get confused. Comma 221, 201.
Recording in progress.
Oncha, switch off your mic. 122, 112, 122, comma 112. Then a semicolon. Then 220, comma 100. ठीक है? Here you will write DESCORD. Nine 85818 9 comma 85 comma 818. And Daksh, do not cheat now. 815999 815999. Five 5. 991 880. Four 3 1 596 431 comma 596. Three 4 1 5 4 1 comma 500. 7 4 3 4 4 4. Okay, these are the three questions. Only 3 questions are there. Just do it quickly. I can see a few of you switching off your videos off. Switching your videos off. Ansh Patel, Arshika, Unsha. Unsha cha is there. Ansha, I got you. Unsha, why are you from two mobile for two devices? Unsha, are you from two devices? One I can see your video. One I can see without video. Arshika, open your camera. Unsha, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, you are connected with two devices. Chalo, Unsha, do your work. Don't worry. Let it be. Let it be, Unsha. Do your work. Do your work. Don't worry. It's okay. बस आपकी वीडियो ऑन रहनी चाहिए और मुझे आप सामने दिखनी चाहिए बस. Doing your work. You should not switch off your video. Bas, that's it. I want you in front of you, sitting in front of me and doing the work. Where is Daksh? Daksh, do your work yourself now. Don't wait for me to cheat.
Ma'am, I am writing an answer 2 of descending. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhi.
Third question answered. Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good. Very quick.
Yes, ma'am.
Very quickly done. Wait a second. Okay, let others also complete it, bache. Okay, very good.
I'm done.
अरे अक्षर सुन लिया मैंने. बैठ जाओ आराम से. Sit. Sit straight. Sit straight. Sit properly. Very good, Akshat. Straight. ये. Very good, Akshat. बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं ऐसे. Yes. Akshat, hold your breath. Hold your breath. And keep holding it. कितनी देर रोक सकते हो?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
1 minute only. बस Akshat. This much.
Ma'am, I can hold it till 10 minutes.
Okay, hold it. You're breathing.
No, ma'am.
10 मिनट तो बहुत होते हैं बेटा. 10 मिनट में तो कोई भी नहीं होल्ड कर पाता.
Okay, ma'am, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes भी बहुत होते हैं. 1 minute ही बहुत होता है. 2 minutes तो बोल सकते हो. 1 से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता.
Okay, ma'am, 2 minutes.
हाँ.
1 minute. I can hold my breath 1 minute.
नहीं, you can't hold for 1 minute also. अक्षर अभी तो
Ma'am, my Daksh pehले jani turn.
Okay, send it. Daksh. Oh, it's only for Daksh. This instruction is only for Daksh. Daksh, send it. All of you have done? Okay, wait. Towards the okay. Please check your answers. I am going to show you the answers of this one. ठीक है? Daksh first let Daksh send me. Daksh का आंसर आ जाए मेरे पास. फिर उसके बाद I'll show you.
मैम मैंने सेंड कर दिया है। मैम ये वो
Why your voice is echoing? किसका mic on है? उनका mic off करो.
मैं वो
Very good, Daksh. Very nice. Okay, everyone now see this. I'm going to show you the answers. I'm going to stop this showing this one. Showing this screen, and now I'm going to show you the answers. Everyone just check the answer. See, this is the answer. Very good, Daksh. Very nice. Daksh, if you can do it, why were you cheating and why were you waiting for me? If you know how to do it. Huh? Check everyone, check the answers. Everyone just check your answers.
मैम
Very good.
Ma'am, if any other descending or ascending the in the Indian and international number both comes to.
What beta? What? Sorry.
Ma'am, in the same.
Akshat, what are you saying?
Ma'am, descending or ascending order in the same question, if there is Indian and the international.
Beta, see the
number
digits. If you are checking the first digit, then check the first digit. If you are checking this, first check the first digit. Indian or international, दोनों है. चलो, okay. Very good question by Akshat. Check your answers. All of you check your answer. Akshat का question का मैं answer देती हूँ. Very good question. I will show you the answer. Akshat का.
all are correct.
Okay. Shall I stop sharing this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I stop sharing? You can check it from the WhatsApp group also. I shared it on the group also. You can check it from there. Now look here on the board, everyone. See, Akshat told me, Ikshaj is asking, ma'am. Let us compare. Ma'am, अगर international और Indian place value में दोनों में है तो, for example, 2,01,099 and it is given 201,909. Okay, all right, Akshat. Suppose we have like this. Now you are asking. This is an Indian system and this is an international system, and we have to compare them. How we will compare them? Dekho beta, see the first digit. First digit is 2 only. Next 2 digit is 01. Next 2 digit is 01. See the digits. Okay, here there are also 6 digits. Here there are also 6 digits. Just compare in the same way 099, like there is no comma. 201,909. Compare it in the same way like there is no comma in between. First 3 digits are 201, 201. Then here it is 0, here it is 9. So which will be bigger? The 9 one. Understood, Akshat?
Okay, ma'am.
ऐसे समझो जैसे कोई comma ही नहीं है बीच में. All right, there is no comma in between, but we have to mention it as it is because it is mentioned in the question. That's why we have to mention it. Okay, so today we have reasoning class also. So we'll do the reasoning in the last period today. Okay, see you in the last period. This period is going to be over. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
बाय मैम।
Bye.